Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm gonna show you how to get verified on Threads. So guys, at first you have to go to your Instagram to verify your account because Instagram and Threads are connected together. So for that, let's continue into your Instagram. Now go to your profile and then tap on the three lines in the right side of corner. And guys, here you can see the Meta verified option, but if you do not see the option, then understand that your option is not enabled yet. So if you want to make the option available, then go to settings and privacy, swipe down and go to help. Now tap on report a problem, tap on report a problem again. Now tap on include and continue. Now write here your problem, or you can also copy my words if you want. And after completing your writing, just tap on the send option. And then your message will send to the authority. And they may take some action later. So guys, that's it. That's how you can get verified on Threads very easily. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.